Ever wondered if our neighboring planet Mars has moons just like our Earth? Well, the red planet does indeed have its own pair of moons, albeit far smaller and more enigmatic than our own moon. These two moons, known as Phobos and Deimos, cast their silent orbits around Mars, adding their unique touch to the Martian skies. Phobos and Deimos, their names are not chosen by coincidence. They hail from ancient Greek mythology, each carrying a tale as captivating as the moons themselves. Phobos, which translates to fear, and Deimos, meaning terror, were the sons of Ares, the Greek god of war. Ares in Roman mythology is known as Mars, the very planet these moons circle. These moons, named after the offspring of war, certainly live up to their enigmatic monikers. They exist not just as cold, lifeless satellites, but as silent storytellers of the cosmos, each holding their own celestial secrets. So how did we come to know about these mysterious celestial bodies? The moons of Mars were not discovered until the late 19th century. A significant statement considering that by this time, humanity had been gazing at the stars for thousands of years. But it wasn't until August of 1877 that American astronomer Asaph Hall spotted two tiny points of light orbiting the red planet. Asaph Hall, a tenacious man with a passion for the cosmos, was the mastermind behind this monumental discovery. He was stationed at the US Naval Observatory, armed with one of the largest refracting telescopes of the time. This beast of a telescope, boasting a lens of 26 inches, was his secret weapon in the pursuit of celestial bodies. However, the path to discovery was not a smooth one. Hall faced numerous challenges, from the limitations of 19th century technology to poor atmospheric conditions. But he was a man of determination, unwilling to let these obstacles deter him. Night after night he would scan the Martian sky, hoping to find something that had eluded human eyes for centuries. Then on the night of August 12th, Phobos, the larger of Mars's two moons, revealed itself. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to Hall's relentless pursuit, yet he was not satisfied with just one moon. He continued his observations, and just 6 days later, Deimos, the smaller moon, came into view. The discovery of Phobos and Deimos was a significant achievement, not just for Hall, but for the entire scientific community. It represented the power of human curiosity and the potential of technological advancements. Despite the challenges and limitations, Hall's discovery proved that the universe is teeming with secrets waiting to be uncovered. So, there you have it. The tale of the discovery of Mars's mysterious moons, Phobos and Deimos. A tale of determination, technological prowess, and the unyielding human spirit. A tale that reminds us of the wonders that lie beyond our earthly confines. Now that we know when and how they were discovered, let's delve into their characteristics. Phobos and Deimos, though small, exhibit some peculiar traits. Let's delve into the unique characteristics of these Martian moons. Phobos, the larger of the two, is roughly just 22 kilometers in diameter, while Deimos measures barely half of that. Yet, despite their small size, they offer some intriguing peculiarities. Phobos, for instance, orbits closer to Mars than any other moon orbits its planet in the solar system. This proximity causes it to whip around Mars at an astonishing speed, completing an orbit in less than 8 hours. In a striking display of cosmic ballet, this is even faster than Mars rotates on its axis. As a result, for someone standing on the Martian surface, Phobos would appear to rise in the west and set in the east, defying the universal east-to-west movement of celestial bodies. On the other hand, Deimos, named after the Greek god of terror, stands out for its irregular shape, akin to a lumpy potato. The moon is not spherical, but rather is a misshapen mass with a crater-pocked surface. It orbits Mars at a much slower pace than its sibling, taking over 30 hours to complete one orbit. This means that Deimos rises and sets roughly every 2.5 days, a stark contrast to the rapid rise and set of Phobos. Both moons share another oddity. They are not shiny and reflective like our moon, but are instead among the darkest objects in the solar system, reflecting only a small portion of the sunlight that reaches them. This darkness is thought to be due to a layer of fine dust known as regolith that covers their surfaces. These moons have continued to intrigue scientists, but what have recent studies revealed? Modern technology has enabled us to delve deeper into the mysteries of Phobos and Deimos. The last few years have been particularly exciting, with multiple missions and studies shedding light on these enigmatic celestial bodies. The European Space Agency's Mars Express mission has been instrumental in this exploration. The spacecraft, which has been orbiting Mars since 2003, has provided some of the most detailed images of Phobos and Deimos to date. These images have allowed scientists to study the moon's surfaces in unprecedented detail, revealing a myriad of craters, grooves, and other intriguing features. The Mars Global Surveyor, operated by NASA, has also made significant contributions. It has used a laser altimeter to measure the moon's shape and topography. These measurements have allowed scientists to make some fascinating discoveries. For example, they have found that Phobos, despite being the larger of the two moons, is incredibly porous, with a density much lower than that of Mars itself. These findings have added fuel to the ongoing debate about the moon's origins. There are two main theories. The first suggests that Phobos and Deimos are captured asteroids drawn into Mars' orbit by the planet's gravitational pull. Their irregular shapes and cratered surfaces certainly resemble those of asteroids found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The second theory proposes that the moons are remnants of a massive impact on Mars. According to this theory, a colossal object struck Mars billions of years ago, ejecting a huge amount of material into space. Over time, this debris coalesced to form Phobos and Deimos. The low density of Phobos could potentially support this theory, as the moon could be made up largely of loosely packed rubble. Both theories have their supporters and detractors, and the debate is far from settled. However, the wealth of data gathered by missions like Mars Express and Mars Global Surveyor has provided invaluable insights and will continue to inform future research. Looking forward, there are several exciting missions on the horizon. For example, Japan's space agency is planning a mission to Phobos, set to launch in the late 20s. This mission aims to land on the moon, collect samples, and return them to Earth, which would be a first in the history of space exploration. The mysteries of Phobos and Deimos continue to unravel, promising more exciting discoveries in the future. As technology advances and our understanding deepens, who knows what secrets these Martian moons will reveal. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the complex history of our solar system and perhaps to understanding our own place within it. So what can we gather from our cosmic journey to the moons of Mars? Well, we've traversed the intricate history of the discovery of Phobos and Deimos, two celestial bodies that have intrigued astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. We've delved into the late 19th century when American astronomer Asaph Hall, amidst the swirling dust of frustration and near surrender, found these moons hiding in the Martian shadows. His legacy now forever etched in the annals of space exploration. We've explored the unique characteristics of these moons, their peculiar orbits and their distinct appearances. Phobos, with its close proximity to Mars and its speedy orbit, presents an intriguing spectacle. On the other hand, Deimos, though smaller and further away, has its own allure with its smoother surface and slower pace. We've also delved into the latest discoveries and studies that have enlightened us with new knowledge about these moons. From the theories suggesting Phobos might be a captured asteroid or a piece of Mars itself, to the exciting revelations about the deep grooves crisscrossing its surface. We've learned about the possibility of Deimos's tilted orbit being a result of a massive impact on Mars, and the ongoing studies to uncover more about their composition and origin. This journey has not only expanded our understanding of Mars and its moons, but also deepened our appreciation for the complexities and mysteries of our universe. It's a testament to our insatiable curiosity and relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we stand on the precipice of new space expeditions, our focus remains steadfast on these enigmatic moons. Every new discovery, every piece of information fuels our collective imagination and propels us further into the unknown. As we continue to explore the vastness of our universe, who knows what other secrets Mars and its moons have yet to reveal?